Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Binance for beginners. First, you'll need to set up your account and complete the necessary identity verification steps to ensure security and compliance. After that, activate two-factor authentication to protect your assets. Finally, you can fund your Binance wallet using several convenient deposit options, such as bank transfers or credit cards, to begin your crypto journey. Once your account is funded, you can start buying and selling cryptocurrencies. Binance offers a user-friendly spot trading interface for straightforward transactions. You can place market orders to buy or sell instantly at the current market price. For more control, use limit orders to set your desired purchase or sale price, and the order will execute automatically when the market reaches that level. Binance offers more than just basic trading. Explore earning opportunities like staking, where you can earn rewards on your crypto holdings, or savings products for passive income. For experienced traders, advanced tools like futures and options trading are available. Always monitor your portfolio's performance using the detailed analytics provided to make informed decisions about your investments. Maintaining strong security practices is crucial on Binance. Always use a strong, unique password and enable all available security features. If you ever encounter an issue or have questions, Binance provides comprehensive customer support through various channels. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Staying informed and secure will help you navigate the crypto world confidently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.